everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda. For any newcomers out there, welcome. In today's video, I want to share with you a tumbler that has 7 different glitters. That's right, 7. And unfortunately, I did not record a complete tutorial on how I made this tumbler. But if you're interested in seeing a complete tutorial on this tumbler, drop me a comment in the comment section and I will, if I get enough requests, I will make a video showing the process from beginning to end. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive in and I will show you this super cool 7 glittered tumbler. And here it is. Stay Rad leopard print tumbler with 7 different glitters. Let's take a moment and take a look at it before I start describing and explaining the process. When I started this tumbler, I wanted to do like the pink glitter with the green color and the green glitter with the pink color. But I really love this chunky glitter mix that's right through here. It is one of my favorite glitters. And even though there are the openings of the leopard prints, I didn't want that to be covered up. So you can sort of see the pink glitter and the green glitter where they come together. And then there's this different glitter mix on top. So first of all, I painted the bottom of the tumbler pink and the top of the tumbler in this seafoam looking green. This is the green color that I used. It's Rust-Oleum. Eucalyptus is the color and it's in satin. This is the green color that I used for the painting. Now you can see that the green glitter doesn't really match this green color, but I felt like they were close enough and in the same family that I think it works. So that's the paint that I used for this part. And then the pink that I used is Prickly Pear. And it's just super vibrant and pretty. And again, it's not the exact color of my glitter, but I mean, it doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be exactly the same color unless you just want it to be. So I love these colors together. So I painted the bottom pink and the top green. And then I did my glitter. I did my pink glitter and my green glitter. This is the green glitter that I used. And I don't have the bottle of the pink glitter because I'm out. However, I will put a picture of the pink glitter that I used up on the screen. And of course, I'll have everything listed and linked below as well. And let me just take this moment to pause and say, there is going to be more videos coming, different content, more tutorials. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel because there's going to be more videos coming. I have one coming out with some tips and some tricks for beginners in tumbler making. So be sure to subscribe to my channel, click a like for my videos, and ring the bell for notifications. So that's the first steps that I took. Was I painted it, I did my glitters, and put a coat of epoxy on. And now for the center glitter, the glitter that's here in the center of the tumbler, that has a beautiful color shift. And I got it from the Glitter Grind. It's called Iconic. And I have to say, I am completely obsessed with the Glitter Grind. I first heard about them from watching Courtney with Courtney's Customs. I will have her channel linked below for you if you'd like to check her out. She's great. I love watching her. But I love the Glitter Grind. They have the most beautiful glitters, and the color shift in these is just amazing. And this is a chunky mix. So it does have the chunky glitter, but then it also has a few pieces of the smaller glitters. So I applied that to the tumbler. And then my inspiration came from this artwork. And I found this on Creative Fabrica. I will have a link for this artwork listed as well. But if you join Creative Fabrica, it's like $4.99 a month, but it's billed as $59 for the year. So I will have a link for that as well if you're interested in becoming a member or a subscriber to Creative Fabrica. I'll have that listed as well. So this was my inspiration, and I don't know how well you can see the green and pink color, but I feel like I came really close to matching those colors with my paint. So that is super cool. I love that. So after I had the Iconic glitter applied, of course, I added another coat of epoxy. And for whatever reason, when I first started this tumbler, the glitters I had in mind to do was black, silver, and white. It's just one of those things where I can see a picture of something in my head, but then once I received this glitter, because I had already purchased this, I just had not received it yet. Once I received this glitter and saw how well it went with these colors, I decided to just change it up and add all of them. So we have 1, 2, and then the glitter in the middle. That's 3 different glitters. 4, 5, 6 different glitters. And you can see here the pink leopard spots, and then you have the green where I had placed a stencil and repainted. So once I added these glitters, the white, the silver, and the black, then I put my stencil on and repainted it. But this time I painted the bottom green and the top pink. I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And like I said, if I get enough requests to do a live tutorial, or not a live tutorial, but to do a tutorial on this tumbler, I will. So once I had all the glitters applied, the paint, I pulled the stencil off and placed another coat of epoxy on, and then added my Stay Rad artwork. And I printed this off on water slide paper. And then I just trimmed it with vinyl striping. And I got this from Tech Wrap Craft. Actually ordered it, I think, on Amazon though. But it's Tech Wrap Craft in Chrome Space Gray. So very beautiful. Super shiny, beautiful color. And I just thought that kind of pulled out the black glitter and some of the little dark spots around the leopard print in the artwork. So that's 6 glitters. But I've placed a different chunky pink glitter on the bottom. So that's 7 different glitters. And I just thought that was a beautiful pink as well. It matches this pink perfectly. It's just a chunky mix, whereas this is a fine glitter. And then the green up here is actually a super fine glitter. So it's even a little smaller. The pieces are a little bit smaller than even the pink down here. So, and this is the black glitter. This is the chunky pink glitter that I used for the bottom. You can see my black is almost gone. And then this is the silver. Now, I'm out of the white that I used, the white glitter that I used. So again, I'll post a picture on the screen of the white glitter and I'll list it as well. But I don't know if you can see how it's white, silver, and then black. And then I had ordered some resin flatbacks, and I already had this, I only had one in stock, but it says Stay Rad, and I just attached it to a straw topper that I made. And so you have a really cute little straw topper to go with your Stay Rad tumbler. So I thought it was super cute. And if you watch any of my videos, you'll soon learn that I like for things that I create to be different. And this is definitely different. So there it is. So like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't a tutorial, but a lot of these tumblers that I created, I had started creating before I decided to do videos on them. So I don't have recordings of the tumbler process, but I will have some tutorials coming. And if you're interested in seeing some tutorials, have any ideas, feel free to leave me a comment and I'll try to make some videos based on what you all are wanting to see. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and ring the bell for notifications. I do have a little sneak peek for you quickly on this color palette. This is some vinyl that I purchased from Banff Vinyl, and I will have a video coming using these 3 very soon. So stay tuned to my channel. Like I said, you never know what I'm going to post. I never know what I'm going to post. But again, thanks for watching, and I hope everyone has a blessed day. Bye.